Hi, I'm Tali from Resin8 and I'm going to show you how to prepare your workspace before you start a resin project. Remember that old Scout motto, be prepared? You definitely want to be prepared when you're working with resin because time is of the essence and it can get messy. First of all, make sure that your workspace is properly protected from any spills. You can use newspapers, baking parchment, silicone mats or the special My Resin Work Mat by Resin8. Before you start, plan out your project. Which resin are you going to use? Do you need any pigments or powders? Are you going to be using inclusions, moulds, bezels? Will an acrylic block help keep your project steady and level? If you're using a bezel, you might want some Blu Tack to attach it onto the block to keep it level. If you're making an open back bezel, you'll need a strong clear tape, such as duct tape, to stop the resin seeping out. If you're working with flowers, they'll have to be fully dried first. Will you need a heat gun or barbecue lighter to get rid of bubbles? For every resin project, you'll need nitrile gloves or a special barrier cream to protect your hands. If you're sanding, you'll need a respirator. Most resin projects require baby wipes or paper towels, cocktail and craft sticks, mixing cups and pots. It's handy to write R and H on your mixing cups so you don't get your resin and hardener confused. For some types of resin, you'll need a set of scales to weigh them out. For all projects, you'll need to work in a well-ventilated area. It also helps to keep your space as uncluttered as possible and free of dust. Planning your workspace before you start will save you headaches later.